वेस्ट बंगाल के बागडोगरा एयरपोर्ट से इंडिया भूटान बॉर्डर की जो इमिग्रेशन है वो चेक पोस्ट क्रॉस करते ही हमें फील हुआ कि इट इज नॉट जस्ट अ नेबरिंग कंट्री ऑफ इंडिया, इट एक्चुअली हैज अ लॉट टू ऑ अस. The simplicity, cleanliness and the serenity of the country will definitely win you over every time you visit here.
Welcome to Bhutan.
So हमारा जर्नी स्टार्ट हुआ था फ्रॉम बॉर्डर टाउन फुन सेलिंग जो कि भूटान की तरफ आता है, एंड वी वर हेडिंग टू कैपिटल सिटी थिम्पू विच वॉज अ 7 to 8 hours ऑफ ड्राइव विथ ब्रेक्स, एंड लगभग 150 से 160 किलोमीटर दूरी पे है. En route, beautiful stupas, prayer flags will start prepping you for a very different, positive and serene vibe throughout. इसके बीच में लंच करके एंड थोड़ा बहुत स्नैक वगैरह खरीदने के बाद वी जस्ट रिज्यूम्ड आवर जर्नी. जस्ट अ पीस ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, ये एक ग्रुप ट्रिप था और हम लोग 3 फैमिलीज एक 14 सीटर बस में हंसी मजाक करते करते ये ट्रिप को आगे बढ़ा रहे थे. भूटान में आपको जानना ज़रूरी है कि लोकल गाइड हायर करना मैंडेटरी होता है, सो वो पहले से ही प्लान करना ज़रूरी है.
Show our passports again? No, no. Oh, is there a spot?
ये था संगम और कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ पारोचू एंड वांगचू रिवर जो आपको ऑन द हाईवे जंक्शन ऑफ पारो एंड थिम्पू मिलेगा. Beautiful place, but in the month of December, the cold breeze could be a bit challenging. So please carry good warm clothes. Finally, we entered the beautiful Thimphu city. Beautifully structured and traditionally designed buildings were living examples of the preservation of a strong culture. थिम्पू के होटल में चेक इन करने के बाद एक चिल्ड आउट एंड कैजुअल इवनिंग स्पेंड करते हुए हम स्पॉट किए होटल के बालकनी से द ग्लोइंग स्टैच्यू ऑफ बुद्धा. We had plans to cover the Buddha point the next day, but this particular visual was really mesmerizing. Next day, we started our day visiting Tashichu Dzong. Above Thimphu city stands the Buddha Dordinma, one of the tallest sitting Buddha statues in the world. From here, the entire valley looks peaceful, almost protected. And locals believe the statue doesn't just overlook the city, it actually blesses it.
Not fond of it.
This place is home to the takin, Bhutan's national animal, a creature that looks part goat, part cow, and almost mythical. Legend says it was created by a saint as a symbol of faith. In Bhutan, every animal carries stories, not just names. At the end of the day, the beautiful cultural experience in Simply Bhutan got us emotionally overwhelmed.
All of you drink wine? No. No one drinks wine.
No. No. There are. This is for tasting, right, Auntie? You can also taste it. Yeah. For tasting, I think there are a couple of us.
So in our country, whenever we receive our guests, we welcome them with a wine. So this wine is called Ara in our local terms, local wine. Okay. So after I serve you the wine, you have to place in your right hand and wait for a minute. Okay. So we will offer to the God first, then we will drink it together. Is it okay? Three times. Each time saying Very good.
Simply Bhutan, it is just not a museum you just walk through, it's one you live. Here you witness Bhutanese culture up close, drink local wine, taste butter tea with puffed rice, and finally we found ourselves dancing to the rhythm of Bhutanese folk. For a moment, you don't feel like a visitor here, you feel like you belong.
Nice.
You tried suja? Not yet. So suja is just one of the specialty of Bhutan. Okay, so it's also a welcome tea. What are the ingredients? Butter, water, salt, tea. Oh, salt. No milk, no sugar. Chai, butter tea.
Chai? It's chai.
Butter tea.
Butter tea. And what is the use of this?
You can add this on with the tea. Yes. And then
She is enjoying everything.
See, there is another friend.
इवनिंग में वापस आते वक्त हम लोग लोकल मार्केट विजिट किए फॉर शॉपिंग सुवेनियर्स ड्रेसेस एंड मेनी अदर थिंग्स ग्रेट प्लेस फॉर शॉपaholics फॉर श्योर. तो बाकी लोग जब शॉपिंग में बिजी थे हम और ऋषिक इधर उधर घूम रहे थे एंड सडनली वी रियलाइज्ड एवरी टाइम आई वाज कॉलिंग ऋषिक बाय हिज पेट नेम पाची another cutie from the shop also started responding spontaneously.
Hi, Pachi.
Later we found out
Pachi.
that Pachi is her pet name too. Wow, what a small world of famous Pachis.
Pachi, Pachi, Pachi. Pachi baby, come inside. Huh? You come inside.
Next day, we started climbing the highest pass of this route, the famous Dochula Pass, जहाँ पे 108 स्तूपास है. In late December, surrounded by chilling winds, towering Himalayan ranges, and clouds everywhere, it felt like pure serenity. Just keep in mind, at around 10,200 feet above the sea level, it may cause slight uneasiness for elderly people. Then we visited Punakha Zoo. Finally, the famous Punakha Suspension Bridge. पुनाखा से पारो जाते वक्त एक रिवर बैंक में हम लोग रुके फॉर अ पिट स्टॉप एंड आई मस्ट say what an amazing experience it was. You have a couple of shacks here for tea, coffee and snacks, and biting on them while seeing Punakha River's crystal clear water flowing by will be a memory for lifetime. और ऐसे एक एम्बियंस में एक बार भी फेस डिप एक्सपीरियंस ना ले तो हो ही नहीं सकता. तो हम और एक भाई एंड दोस्त दोनों मिलके लगा लिए फेस डिप.
পাচ্ছিস নিজেকে?
इसके बाद हम लोग विजिट किए ब्यूटीफुल पारोजोंग। हम लोग इवनिंग को पहुंचे हमारा होटल पे। थोड़ा फ्रेश होके हम ऋषिक एंड गायत्री निकल गए टहलने के लिए। लोकल मॉनेस्ट्री के रिचुअल्स देखे, लोकल मार्केट देखे, शॉपकीपर से बात किए, इनफैक्ट उनसे जानने की कोशिश भी किए कि व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स डू दे इंपोर्ट फ्रॉम वेयर, व्हाट आर द होम ग्रोन वंस। ये सब कुछ समझने के बाद विद द सन सेटिंग स्लोली वी पार्क्ड आवरसेल्व्स इन अ रिवरसाइड रेस्टोरेंट विद हॉट चॉकलेट टू रैप द डे ऑन ए हाई before we started our journey back home the next day. This story would have been incomplete without the people we traveled with. What started as a group of families slowly became something more. We shared laughter, shared stories, we shared roads, and shared worries as well. And finally, we shared strength. When we faced unexpected challenges on our way back, you stood with us not just as co-travelers but as a support system. For that, we will always be thankful. And a special thanks to our driver and our guide. Thank you, Bhutan, for your warm hospitality, beautifully preserved nature, very well maintained roads, your simple yet tasty food, mesmerizing stupas and zongs, and finally, the empathy you showed to get my dad home fit and healthy. I will be forever grateful.